wondered how professional writers craft articles that get published in top magazines? In this video, I will walk you through every step of writing a magazine article, from the first spark of an idea to getting your work in print. Let's dive in. The first and foremost thing is finding your unique angle and target audience. You need to brainstorm the ideas. Start by identifying topics you are passionate about or knowledgeable in. Consider current events, emerging trends, or personal experiences that offer a fresh perspective. Explore what genuinely fascinates you, and then turn your enthusiasm into an engaging writing. Defining your angle. A unique angle is crucial. Don't just report facts, find a specific lens through which to tell your story. What's the untold side? What's a counterintuitive perspective? Your viewpoint will make your article stand out in a crowded market. And one of the most important things in all this scenario is identifying your audience. Before writing, understand who you are writing for. Research the demographics, interests, and reading habits of your target magazine's readerships. Tailoring your language, tone, and content to this audience is the key to gaining an editor's attention and reader engagement. The research and deep dive, gathering facts, quotes, and anecdotes. Through research is the backbone of any credible magazine article. Begin with a blend of primary and secondary sources. Conduct interviews with experts, eyewitnesses, or individuals with unique insights. These first-hand accounts provide authenticity and compelling quotes that bring your narrative to life. And simultaneously, you need to delve into secondary sources, academic journals, reputable news, archives, books, and official reports. Look for compelling statistics, historical background, and relevant case studies that bolster your arguments. Don't forget to power yourself. A well-placed, relatable story or personal experience can illustrate a complex point more effectively than data alone, making your article resonate emotionally with readers. Is structuring your story, crafting a compelling narrative arc. The hook. Start with an engaging opening that grabs the reader's attention and introduces the main topic without revealing everything up front. Rising action. Introduce the core problem, question, and intriguing scenarios. Climax or turning point. Present the most critical information, the main discovery, or the resolution of this central conflict. This is the article speak. Falling action. Explain the implications of the climax, discuss further details to introduce secondary insights that stem from the main event. Finally, the takeaway. Conclude with a powerful summary, a call to action, a thought-provoking statement that leaves a lasting impression on the reader. Hooking your reader in the first paragraph. The lead is the critical first paragraph that determines whether a reader continues. It must be compelling, intriguing, and relevant to your article's central themes. Consider using a vivid anecdote or surprising statistics, a provocative question, or a bold statement to immediately capture section. The best leads create a sense of urgency or curiosity, making the reader feel they must know what happens next. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it, drawing them into the narrative world you have created. Developing the body, engaging content, evidence, and flow. Each paragraph should contribute meaningfully to your narrative. Use vivid descriptions, strong verbal and sensory details to immerse the readers. Compelling evidences. Support your claims with well-researched evidences, intricate quotes from interviews, statistics, expert opinions, and real-world examples. Explaining its relevance to your main points without overwhelming the reader. Seamless flow. Each section should build upon the last, creating a coherent and impactful piece. Ensure smooth transition between paragraphs and sections. topic sentences, and logical progression of ideas to guide the readers effortlessly through your article. Tone, style, and evocative language. Your writing voice is your unique fingerprint. It can encompass your tone, authoritative, humorous, empathetic, your style, sentence structure, word choice, and your ability to use evocative language. A strong voice connects with readers on an emotional level and makes your article memorable. Maintain a consistent tone throughout the article. If you start with a light-hearted approach, continue with this. Distinctive style. Develop a recognizable writing style. This involves choosing active voice, varying sentence length, and selecting precise, impactful words. Employ language that appeals to the senses and creates strong mental images. Use metaphors, similes, and strong adjectives to paint vivid pictures in the reader's mind. The art of self-editing, polishing, refining, and perfecting your draft. Clarity and consciousness. Eliminate unnecessary words and convoluted sentences. Ensure every sentence serves a purpose and conveys its meaning clearly. Grammar and punctuation. Scrutinize for errors in grammar, spelling, and punctuation. These small mistakes can undermine your credibility. Please do a check of grammar and punctuation. Flow and readability. Read aloud to catch awkward phrases or choppy transitions. Ensure your article flows smoothly from one idea to the next, stepping away from your draft for a few hours or even a day before editing. Fact checking. Double check all names, dates, statistics, and facts. Accuracy is paramount for maintaining journalistic integrity. Allowing you to spot errors and areas for improvement you might have missed. Navigating the submission process, pitching to editors and publishers. Once your article is polished, the next step is pitching. Research potential magazines and publishers meticulously to ensure your topic aligns with their editorial focus and target audience. A well-tailored pitch is more likely to succeed. Your pitch should be a concise and compelling query letter, typically one page. It needs to beautifully summarize your article's concept, highlight your unique angle, explain why it's a good fit for their publication, and introduce your credentials as writer. Always follow the submission guidelines precisely. Attain to detail shows professionalism and respect for the editor's time. Now there's a list of key takeaways and next steps to publication. Embrace the process. Writing a magazine article is a journey from initial spark to published piece. Each stage, idea generation, research, writing, editing, and pitching is crucial and deserves your full dedication. Persistence pays off. Rejection is a common part for writer's life. Learn from feedback, refine your craft, and keep submitting. Your unique voice and perspective are valuable and the right home for your story out there. Stay curious, keep reading, and continue to hone your writing skills. Every article you write is an opportunity to learn and evolve as a storyteller. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumb up and share it with a fellow writer. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on writing, storytelling, and getting published. Keep writing. Your story matters.